fucking corn and shit.
This video.
You take a video?
This is the most JDM thing ever. Yes, it's a sword.
Well, let's dump out what we've got for the moment. Ready?
Actually, I think
Sounds empty now.
I got one down here.
shake all this shit around here.
I'm gonna take it out.
I was like if we move it around.
Watch this.
The 3 tools. Oh shoot, you can't tell.
Light.
Need the light. Totally JDM. It is empty.